Okay, let's go again. IM 2363. My rating's taken a bit of a knock in the last few games. Oh well. I knew it was going to be tough in this auto pairing. Right, bishop. Oh, knight c6 here or knight b3, I think. So I'm going to maybe play bishop d3. I don't think the English Open is good against bishop b4 and knight f6, so bishop d3. I'll play f4. Should I play a3? I think to stop any b4s. Then I'll play f4. Right. Okay. Hack attack system again from my opponent. So if I could play Queen E1, E5, and F5 against this. Although H3, H5 looks dangerous. Okay, H3, knight H5, knight E2. Maybe. I think I have to stop this H3 idea. So even though this looks pretty bad to defend against knight G3 check, I think it's the lesser evil. Maybe Queen E1 threatens Queen H4 in any case. Just using the pin against the rook. I don't know, some IMs seem fascinated by this. More than one. Maybe it's a quick way of getting victories usually. See why. It's very direct with this bishop on B7, just to plough through with the H pawn. Is this knight, is it worth rerouting to D2 to play E5 and knight E4? I'm not sure. Is he going to castle queenside? No, waiting a little bit longer. So how about bishop E3, maybe G1 to H2 here. Cover the G3 square and eye the queen from H2. Looks like a good plan. Safeguards the king a bit more. Helps E5. There's a pawn sack, I think E5 and then F5 would be dangerous. I think I need to protect B2 though. Okay. If I get in bishop H2, E5 and F5, that'd be tasty. Maybe. Any threats here? Hope not. Okay. Can I also consider A4, trying to soften the queen side? Unexpected play on the queen side with A4. If the opponent isn't doing much anywhere else. These rooks are not connected, and maybe one price to pay is my rooks can be connected a bit quicker to target that poor A6 pawn. Mind you, A4 has got B4 tearing open this diagonal. If I take, bishop takes B2. Mind you, then maybe, I don't know, Queen H4, bishop can go back to F6. Yeah. Okay, where's that knight going? I think E5 at the moment's pretty much discouraged. E5 and F5 because he's going to get well, E5 takes and he's on the bishop. So I think A4 is looking more and more tempting as an idea. So maybe Queen F2 first, eyeing the queen side, maybe with Queen A7, and then Knight A5 at some point. So Queen F2, because I think E5 is out of the question. So Rook F. Actually, Knight to D4. Would he ever play E5? Allowing Knight F5, mind you, he's on F takes D. He could be winning a piece. Knight F5, Rook takes D3. Okay, he's going to play that anyway. So okay, F5 here. Is it best? Play f5. I think so, because then a4 is going to be powerful. Potentially. a4. Because then he hasn't got b4 because the bishop's now blocked in. So I think this adds more punch to a4. But I think he's going to play for counterplay with d5. But ab, d takes, b takes, I don't know. What about queen a7 first? Actually, a4, d5, maybe knight d2. I mean, just ignore it. I've got to play a4, I think. To d5, do I sack e4 by playing a takes b, d e4, bishop c2? Am I falling to bits? Maybe, but maybe he's falling to bits on the queen side if a, b, and rook a7. He's got e3. Queen takes, bishop g2, king takes, queen b7. I don't think he's got enough attacking pieces against my king. He's neglected his queen side. Surely I can switch the attack to the queen side. This will be a lot of fun. The rook's, not being connected. Okay, rook takes now. So attacking a6 straight away. Also, maybe it's useful getting queen a7. Queen a7 and knight a5 would be good. Queen a7 now. Mind you, it's dragging the queen away from king safety. Right, just knight a5, d, bishop e4. My rook's on e4. So, knight a5. D takes, knight takes b7. No. Queen. What about just queen? Queen a7. So d, bishop takes e4, pin on c7. This looks good. There's also a threat now, knight a5 in any case. So de, bishop takes e4. Right. What's wrong with knight a5 here? Just forking. He's on the rook. So rook b4? Rook b4. Looks like a cute move. D, bishop takes e4. And knight a5 is now threatened. Well, this looks like another IM crush. It's only got 30 seconds. Alright. There's no rooks on the 7th at the moment. Can I keep this king in the centre by any resourceful means? It's actually threatening bishop d3 maybe, so maybe I'll grab this pawn first. Bishop d3, I've got to check. I can think about knight. Alright, knight c5 here. Stops bishop d3 straight away. Okay. Queen c4's, queen g4. I don't know. Queen c4 looks as though it's a centralising move. Maybe queen g4 now. Protecting e2. Attacking h5. The key point is to attack h5. So I can take h5. Okay, do I need to worry about the other rook? Probably. Anything I can do here about that? I can. Oh no. Okay, think. Queen. Oh, I can't go to queen f3. Knight g. Right, rook e1. Oh, it's defensive. I don't know what to do. Honestly, I don't know what to do. Knight a4. Just attack the knight. Oh God. Yeah, this is looking. Well, knight takes f6 might be on the cards. It's only got 2 seconds. Can I survive this, or am I getting mated? Interesting. I've completely messed up this position. It's terrible. I didn't know what to do about the rooks on the 7th. Oh my God. Anyway. Oh God. This is quite a vicious assistant, but it's very committal. This A4 had a lot of punch to it, I think. So he was losing, but he managed to wriggle out. They're very resourceful players, these IMs. I don't know. I couldn't find, even after winning on H5, where did I go wrong here? Maybe I needed, well, I needed to keep the queen on this diagonal to protect E2, so that didn't help, playing knight takes F6. So in this position, maybe C4. Yeah, C4. Then knight F6 would be much stronger, because G takes and he's got a check and maybe some counterplay against the king. Yeah, fun game. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.